welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a short, simple, empty apartment tour. Yes, your girl is moving, so I decided to give you guys an apartment tour real quick. It's not a lot, it's not much, but it's for me. Just a little 780 some square feet. So we're gonna get into that. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Like this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the place, or don't. I don't know. So happy New Year's, you guys. It is 2021. I know I haven't posted yet. This will probably be my first video that I post for this year. Sorry about that. But I do have a lot of new things in store for 2021, and this is just the beginning, you guys. So we're gonna get right into this video. We're gonna just do a quick little apartment tour, and then, you know, that's it. So let's get right into it. All right, you guys. So we're gonna start at the front door, obviously, and then this little small closet. It's not much, it's just a little coat closet. Okay. And then this is just the view from the front door. This is the living room. Little fireplace. No. You can see the kitchen from here. Okay, I do have wood flooring throughout the apartment. You can see the restroom from here. Y'all, I'm telling you, this apartment is not that big. So this is the dining room area. I feel like as you can see, this is the living room area. They have that fireplace. I don't even think I'm gonna ever use that, like, to be honest. A little countertop right there that leads towards the kitchen area. Y'all think I should put some bar stools right there, or no? Like, would I be wasting my time putting bar stools right there? I don't know, I'm thinking about it. Let me know what y'all think. So we're gonna go towards the dining room area. And then there's a door that leads to my room through the dining room. And then if you turn this way, here's a door to my patio. It's a real small patio, y'all. Like, small. And it's covered with this, like, brick area. You know, a little sun. Look, you can see the whole view from right here. I'm in the dining room area. And then there's the living room area. So as you can see, that is the living room. It's like this wall right here. And then there's the kitchen. I'm sitting in the dining room area. So when you come into the kitchen, you have the nice white cabinets. Let me turn on the light. The nice white cabinets. Black appliances. When I toured this property, they did not tell me that it was going to be wood floor throughout on the second floor. It was supposed to be carpet throughout, but I'm actually happy about the wood flooring because my dog is a mess, y'all. He don't know how to act right on the carpet. But get the view of the kitchen. It's all squared out. Now come over here. Got the cabinets. Little cabinet space. Some more cabinet space up there that I probably won't use because I'm short. You know, literally on my tippy toes trying to open it. Microwave, stove, dishwasher, more storage. Lovely sink. Yeah, I like this countertop. Got this little sink. Can't wait to start cooking. And while in the kitchen, you know, you can see straight into the living room from here because it has this open area. Yeah. So if you look that way, that's the closet to my washer and dryer. So we're gonna go back that way. So you're coming back through the dining room area. It's the living room. My little fireplace. Y'all, I'm standing in the corner so y'all can get a good view. But I kind of want to put my TV up there. But the cord for my internet is right here. So I'm not sure which one I'm going to do. If I'm put it over here or if I'm put it over there. But let me show y'all this room. So the double doors right here. To my washer and dryer. And then we're gonna get, from here, you're gonna walk straight into the restroom from this way. The restroom has two doors. So you can come in through the living room area or you can go in through the room. So when you first come in, it has these cabinets right here, little storage. Have a little space here, maybe like a little vanity area. And then the sink, big old mirror. Big old mirror, y'all. Looking rough, y'all. It's early. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, I guess this can be some practice to vlog because your girl don't, you know, got the cute little light fixtures up there. They have a separate light for the shower. I love it. And you know, you got the big garden too. You got some area right there. That's a, I don't know. Okay, and then there's the second door, and that door leads to my room. So I'm gonna show y'all from this way. Look, they got the dining room area and stuff. That's the room, y'all. So you walk in. I like how the walls aren't white, like Who wants boring white walls? I mean, this tour is really simple, y'all. That's the room. And this is the closet. This closet, y'all, look, it's really exactly like my last closet. So I'm gonna have to get rid of some stuff because that closet wasn't even big enough for me. But yeah, that is it. I told y'all it was a quick little video. Yep, so that's basically it. That's like the whole apartment, y'all. I showed y'all the living room, the kitchen, the dining room area, the bathroom, closet. All right, you guys, that is the tour, the empty apartment tour. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified when I post more videos, because 2021 is the year, sweetheart, and I'm gonna be posting. I know I've been slacking thus far for 2021 because I haven't posted anything, but you know, I got my reasons. I'm a human, you know what I'm saying? But hey, I'ma do better. I know I gotta do better, and I'ma do better. So y'all don't forget to subscribe and go follow your girl on Instagram at Melanie_love. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more of my content. I hope you enjoyed this video. And with that being said, you guys know that it is a wrap. Bye.